I'm going to show you how to pack your entire home in just 3 days. Yep, 3 days. You know those times when life throws you a curveball and all of a sudden you have just 3 days in which to pack for your home move? Yep, it happens.
No! God, please, no! No!
Of course, in that situation, the smart thing to do is get a full service mover to pack and move everything for you. They will get it done far quicker than you could and they will save you a whole load of stress. Just head on over to MoveAdvisor.com/quote to see just what amazing value for money a full service mover is. But if your budget is tight or you don't have a huge amount to pack, so let's jump right in and make this move stress-free and even fun. Day 1 is all about getting organised. Here's the plan. We'll break down the packing into manageable chunks so it doesn't feel like you're trying to climb Mount Everest. First up, let's gather our supplies. Sturdy boxes in different sizes, good quality packing tape that actually sticks, bubble wrap and packing paper for those fragile items, markers and labels to stay organised. Remove any distractions, so if you have kids, ask a relative to look after them for the next few days. Disconnect the TV, put your cell phone out of sight. Staying focused with no distractions and having a positive mental attitude will get you through this. So we're going to start with the least used spaces like the attic, basement or guest rooms. Let's dive in. We're kicking things off with non-essentials. Think seasonal items, decor and anything you won't need in the next few days. As you're going through your things, anything that is broken or you no longer need or want can be set aside. There is no point in wasting time and money to pack and move things you no longer need. And here's a pro tip. Label each box with the room it's going to and a brief list of what's inside. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Day 2 is when we roll up our sleeves and tackle the big stuff. Clothing, kitchenware and electronics. Let's start with the closet. Use suitcases for your clothes. They're already built for packing and easy to move. For hanging clothes, grab a garbage bag, make a hole at the bottom for hangers and slide it over. Voila, instant garment bag. Leave things in their drawers. Just ensure that the things cannot move about inside the drawer and that there's nothing fragile that's going to get broken. Now for the kitchen. Wrap each dish in packing paper or bubble wrap and stack them vertically like you're filing documents. This helps prevent breakage. A quick packing tip is to place a paper plate between each plate rather than packing each one individually in paper. It will save you a ton of time. And don't forget to keep a moving days essential box with things like medication, food and of course coffee, because coffee is non-negotiable. Before packing, take a photo of all those complicated connections on your electronics. It will make it so much easier to reconnect them at your new place.
Right, yeah, of course.
You can find several guides on how to make packing easier and quicker over at MoveAdvisor.com/move. Be sure to check it out. It's day 3 and we're in the home stretch. Today is all about the final touches. Pack up the last minute essentials from the bathroom and bedroom and do a quick sweep to make sure nothing's left behind. Double check closets, drawers and any other nooks and crannies where things love to hide. Also, don't forget to take down wall art and curtains. This last day is all about being thorough. After everything's packed, give your home a quick clean. This is especially important if you're moving out of a rental. You want to leave the place in tip-top shape. Congratulations, you've just packed your entire home in 3 days. How awesome is that?
I gotta tell you, it was perfect.
Now all that's left is to move into your new place and start this next exciting chapter of your life. And don't forget that over at MoveAdvisor.com you will find a whole library of guides to make your home move easier, cheaper and safer. If you found this episode helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss any of our awesome content. Happy moving everyone, see you next time. Bye.